In this short Wix tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on Snap to objects on Wix tutorial. So what you're going to need to do is just to, if you want to enable Snap to object, just to click on tools here, and then here we have Snap to object, turn on, turn off. So if you turn off right now, you didn't check this box. Now you don't have Snap to objects. I'm just going to add here a button. So we don't have Snap to objects. Even if I go here, so even let's say we'll add this one right here. Now here we see we don't have Snap. So if I go to tools now and I check Snap to objects, now it's pretty cool. Now we have Snap to objects, which is very helpful when you're designing on Wix editors. So thanks for watching. If you found this short video helpful, subscribe, like this video. And if you have more suggestions for the next Wix tutorial, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and take care.